Okay, I have here an HEIC format uh, picture file. So HEIC is a compression format um, that can actually enhance the quality of photos with transparency and a broader dynamic range of capabilities. So this HEIC format uh, is better than JPG for pictures, and there is a format for videos as well. So I received this file through email and I want to open it. And if I try to open this with the photo viewer, let's see. So I'm on a Windows 10. Let me show you the version I'm on. So I'm up to date. Windows 10 Pro. Version 21H2. And if I try to open this file with, I just try to open it, it'll try to open with the Windows photo viewer, and it doesn't have the video codec extension. And if I try to download this, through the App Store, yeah, so Microsoft wants us to pay 99 cents for this media extension. So let's see if we can do this differently. Okay, so I have on this USB, I have a link. I will save this in the description. So I will copy this link and paste in a browser, in a presenter. So it's gonna try to open with the Microsoft Store. I'm gonna say OK to that. And now, so no payment necessary. I'm gonna install. I'm sure you'll be happy about that. So fine, it's installed. I can close this window, close the browser. Let's try to see if we can open this file now. Yes, perfect. So there you go. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching, and if you like to, please subscribe.